Hello, my name is Faith Maloney and I'm one of the co-founders here at Best Friends. Welcome to our March Blessing. Thank you for coming here today and being part of our group watching this, and for you at home for watching this. We're going to be honoring the animals that have passed here at the sanctuary and take some time to remember your pets that have passed away too. Call to gathering. It is said that our eyes are windows to the soul. When we looked in your eyes, we saw unconditional love, but your eyes went deeper. In reality, we caught a glimpse of our Creator. Love can only be reflected back if we are sending love. Each companion gives us an opportunity to open our hearts, our eyes, and our lives to be recognized for all we are and they are. Our companions offer us a safe place to give our love. Not if or because, as we normally do, but with no fear that we will be rejected, and with an assurance that it will be returned. Thank you for all you brought into our lives. We will miss all that was you. May your spirit soar with the angels until our spirits are reunited.
Hello, my name is Josh, and I'm one of the caretakers here at Angel's Rest. And at this point of the program, we'll talk and reflect on some of the animals that have passed away here on the sanctuary grounds. In Cat World, we lost Snapple, Tinsel, aka Teeny Weeny Chicken Dinny, Kipu, Zeke, Mallory, Gabby, Churro, Murphy, Medea, Penny, and Misty Blue. In Dogtown, we lost Eliza Thornberry, Otto Rocket, Crumb, Regina Rocket, BB Bluff, Tippy Tink, Reapa, Kimball, Clarkson, Gifford, Banks, and Latifah, Blair, and Huey. In Horsehaven, we lost Viero the Mule. The tributes that were sent in or go for Tilly Tinker, Chewy and Maggie, Dodger and Lola, Penny and Bruiser, Maya and Barrett. Some of the stories that came in we will read at this point. Peggy and Roger Baldwin lost their Vivian Irene. You were the sweetest girl ever. To know you was to love you. You shared your love and devotion with us for the past 14 and a half wonderful years. Our house feels so empty now that you've crossed the Rainbow Bridge. We miss you terribly, but Mom and Dad will always love you. A supporter wrote to us about Lucy. We give thanks for the life of Lucy, and we now commit her into your loving arms. Create within us a spirit of gratitude for the life of Lucy, our most beloved dog, who has lived among us and given us freely of her love. Even in our sorrow, we have cause for joy, for we know that all creatures who died on earth should live again in your new creation. Another best friend supporter wrote to us about their pet, Gretchen. In memory of my bearded blonde buddy, Gretchen, I want to thank her for teaching me that the best days are made of small things. Trips to Starbucks and sitting outside in the fresh air. I could thank Gretchen 1,000 times over. It would not repay all of the joy and laughter she brought to me in the past 18 years. I hope Doggy Heaven is full of mud puddles, ear scratches, and whipped cream. From the Dogtown Caregivers. Sometimes our youngest residents are the most fragile. This month we lost several puppies despite the best efforts of our care, staff, and clinic team. While we wish these puppies could have stayed with us longer and grown up to live full lives, we are grateful they came to us and were showered with love and care before crossing the Rainbow Bridge. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Byron, one of the caretakers here at Angel's Rest. and I want to share a poem by Linda Barnes about our beloved feline friends. They will not go quietly, the cats who have shared our lives. In subtle ways, they let us know their spirit still survives. Old habits still make us think. We hear a meow at the door, or step back when we drop a tasty morsel on the floor. Our feet still go around that place where the food dish used to be, and sometimes coming home at night, we miss them terribly. And although time may bring new friends and new food dish to fill, that one place in our hearts belongs to them and always will.
At this point, we will offer a moment of silence for all the friends we have lost for this month.
Benediction. Love. We thank you now for love. Love that stirs and soothes us. Love that gathers us into all joy and delivers us from all brokenness. Love that hears the soundless language. Love that imagines and dreams. That can conquer all and willingly surrender everything. Love that brought us into our lives, and love will carry us home.